Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today, we will discuss how to overcome being overqualified. Here's how to prepare for and avoid the negative perception of being overqualified for a job. Have you ever gone through the interview process, felt confident that you performed extremely well, and then heard these dreadful words? I'm sorry, but we just feel you're overqualified for this position. Son of a... When I was told that after an interview, several thoughts went through my head. I couldn't understand. What kind of crazy excuse is that for not hiring me? So what if I'm overqualified? Don't employers always want to hire the person with the best qualifications? If I'm willing to take the job, overqualified or not, why is that a problem? It just wasn't fair. What is the real reason they do not want to hire me? When interviewers say that you are overqualified, here's what they are concerned about. 1, you'll be bored in this position. Number 2, you will not be satisfied with the salary that they're offering. Number 3, you'll leave as soon as you get a better opportunity. Number 4, they'll have to go through a time-consuming and expensive process of hiring and training someone all over again. This may or may not make you feel better about being overqualified, but you must admit, those are some legitimate concerns that organizations have. If you have received the overqualified excuse before, then you will know exactly what I'm talking about. If you apply for other jobs that may be at a lower level than warranted by your background, skills, education, and experience, you may be tempted to dumb down your resume and omit things like your college degrees or special things you've accomplished. But lying about your background is not the way to go. Here is a better strategy. Address it head on. Be the first one to raise the overqualified issue with a potential employer. If you bring it up yourself, you can discuss it openly and convince the interviewer that it will not be a problem for them. The key, as with every job interview issue, is to anticipate and prepare. Before you go to the interview, think about what you'll say and how you'll convince them that they should hire you even if you are overqualified. After explaining how you will be a great asset for their company, tell them why you are applying to a lower level position. Do not say, I can't find anything else and I just really need a job. That's going to get you nowhere. Though that may be the case, this approach is a little too honest and will reinforce their fear that you will leave at the first opportunity. Say something like, you can tell that I've worked at a higher level position before, but this position is exactly what I'm looking for. And then, depending on the job and your circumstances, explain why. For example, I've always wanted to work for your company or in this industry, and I'm willing to take a lower level position to get that opportunity. Or you could say, it will allow me to use my skills and expand my experience in a new field. Or you could say, I'm looking for something a little bit less stressful with fewer responsibilities so I can spend more time with my family. I've been looking forward to that. Or you could say, this position provides the stability and long-term growth potential that I'm really seeking. Or, the salary is not my top priority. So I'd have no problem with earning less than I've learned in the years past. That's another great one. Be very enthusiastic about the job. Explain how you can meet their needs now and in the future as the company grows. And most important of all, convince them that you will not quit as soon as something better comes along. If you are convinced that this job would be worth it, you might even try this. Offer to sign an agreement stating that you will stay on the job for a minimum of 12 months. Whether the hiring manager actually takes you up on that offer or not, it will definitely make a very positive impression. If you anticipate the overqualified issue and address it up front, it will not be a drawback to your success. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out GetHiredSecrets.com. Again, that's GetHiredSecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.